first graders. Today we're going to be reading a book called The Day the Crayons Quit, and that is written by Drew Daywalt. Okay, so that's the author, Drew Daywalt, and then the illustrator, which says pictures by, let's see if you can see it, he's holding it upside down. It says pictures by Oliver Jeffers. Okay, so that means he's the person that drew the pictures. He's the illustrator. Okay, so this is a story about the day the crayons quit. I didn't know crayons could quit. Did you? That's pretty, isn't it? The day the crayons quit. And this says, down with this sort of thing. We're not happy. 12 in a box. Crayons. One day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. To Duncan. Okay, there's a picture of Santa. Let's see what this says. Hey Duncan, it's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon. So his Red Crayon wrote him a letter. Here's some of his pictures. So he's got red Santa. Ooh, look, he's exhausted. Red Santa, hearts, apples, strawberries, all sorts of stuff. Pretty cool. That's actually a pretty good fire truck picture, isn't it? All right. Uh-oh. Who do you think wrote this one? Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favorite crayon for grapes, dragons, and wizard hats, but it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous color goes outside the lines. If you don't start coloring inside the lines soon, I'm going to completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon. Okay, so here's your pictures. He has a little cloud over his head. He's kind of angry there, isn't he? And then over here we've got a wizard eating grapes. Oh, look, the dragon's even eating grapes, but it looks like he lit them on fire instead of ate them. They're black. This is his nose blowing fire out of his nose. It's a pretty good dragon, too. I'd say this Duncan's a pretty good artist. Huh. All right, let's see who's next. You ready? Uh-oh. What's this say? Dear Duncan, I am tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I am neither. I am beige and I am proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair that Brown gets all the bears, ponies, puppies, while the only things I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. Let's be honest. When was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. Oh, he's sad. Let's see, here's the wheat that he drew. There's a poor little beige crayon. Sad, sad, sad. You could try drawing some wheat like that. That looks pretty easy. We have wheat out here where we live, don't we? All right. Here we go. Who's next? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, man. Duncan, Gray Crayon here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants, and I know that elephants are gray, but that's a lot of space to color all by myself. And you don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling one of those things? Such big animals. Baby penguins are gray, you know, and so are very tiny rocks, pebbles. How about one of those once in a while to give me a break? Your very tired friend, Gray Crayon. So here's his animals. Can you tell the difference? We have a big elephant. Can you see this hippo right here? In a different gray color, huh? And then here is, it's got a horn. Do you know what that is? It's a rhinoceros or a rhino. And then over here he says, what about this? What about these cute things? We've got little rocks. We got a penguin. That's a super cute penguin, by the way. Let's see if you can see it if I bring it up closer. Look at that cute little thing. Isn't it precious? Okay. Now the next page. What do you think's next? What color? Oh, oh. What color is this, do you think? Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you're using me on, white. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or fill in the empty space between other things. And it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend. White crayon. Look, can you find the white crayon in here? Here it is. Look. He looks like a ghost. And this says, White Cat in the Snow by Duncan. Look, it kind of looks sad, doesn't it? Too funny. Okay, what's the next one? Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things. Things that are colored in by other colors, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colors of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend Black Crayon. And I think black sounds a little cranky. What about you? Here's all the oh, look at the lovely black rainbow and black swim trunks, black dress, and a black beach ball. Too much black, I think. What do you think? He says, please. Pretty silly. Green. Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons. One is to say that I like my work. Loads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs, and frogs. I have no problems and wish to congratulate you on very successful coloring things green career so far. The second reason I write is for my friends Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon who are no longer speaking to each other. Both crayons feel they should be the color of the sun. How silly is that? Please settle this soon because you're driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon. Okay, so here's all the green stuff. He says, I love coloring these things. I'm happy. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Look, he's got 2 different shades of green even though, doesn't he? And he's got a recycling sign that's green. I don't really know what that thing is. What is that thing? Maybe it's a frog. Oh, but look here. He's showing us there could be an orange sun or there could be a yellow sun. There could, couldn't there? Do you ever see any other colors in the sun? I know sometimes I see other colors like pink. Do you ever see a pink sun right before it's about to rise or set? Or right before it's about to set or right after it's risen, actually, right? Okay, next page. Oh man, I think this is yellow or orange. Who knows? Let's see. Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the color of the sun. I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking, and I can prove I'm the color of the sun too. Last Tuesday, you used me to color in the sun on your happy farm picture in the coloring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on a field of yellow corn. Your pal in the true color of the sun, Yellow Crayon. What do you guys think? You think yellow's it? There's his coloring page. Orange does not look happy. Do you think he's the next one to write his letter? Let's see. What's that farmer doing? He's chewing on straw. Working hard, isn't he? Okay, here we go. What color do you think? I think it's orange. I don't know. I haven't looked. Hmm. I think so. Dear Duncan, I see Yellow Crayon already talked to you, the big whiner. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the color of the sun? I would, but we're no longer speaking. We both know I am clearly the color of the sun because on Thursday you used me to color the sun on both the Monkey Island and Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo coloring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Ha! Your pal and the real color of the sun, orange crayon. Uh-oh. They're not getting along, are they? Sure enough, he has two orange skies, doesn't he? Or two orange suns. He says, ha, look here. I don't think yellow's convinced. What do you think? Not too happy. Let's see. Who's next? Blue. We haven't forgotten about you, have we? Dear Duncan, it's been great being your favorite color this past year, and the year before, and the year before that. I have really enjoyed all those oceans and lakes and rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and clear skies. But the bad news is that I'm so short and stubby I can't even see over the railing in the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. Oh my, look how short Blue is. That's kind of how ours start looking after a while, isn't it, in the art room? Especially, actually, the blue colored pencils do that a lot. Look, there's even a blue fish. My goodness. But that's not blue over here, is it? I guess the windows are blue, but the smokestacks are red. It's definitely a ship. Okay, here we go. Next page. Oh my goodness, there's another color. Duncan, okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. It's because you think I am a girl's color, isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said thank you for using me to color her in her Little Princess coloring book. I think she did a fabulous job of staying inside the lines. Now, back to us. Could you please use me sometime to color the occasional pink dinosaur or monster or cowboy? Goodness knows they could all use a splash of color. Your unused friend, Pink Crayon. Oh my goodness, you guys are going to laugh. Look at this. Look at this picture. What is that dinosaur doing, or that monster doing? The dinosaur is laughing at him. What is it? Oh, it's a monster. Yes, okay. Look, he's embarrassed. He's got his arms over his tummy. He says, get away. Don't look at me. It's hideous. Pink's not a scary color. The dinosaur says, ha ha, you're pink. But guess what? He's pink too, isn't he? Pink's not a bad color. He's even got a pink cowboy here. Oh, and a pink princess. That's his sister's artwork, isn't it? Duncan's sister. All right, here we go. Hey, Duncan. It's me, Peach Crayon. Why did you peel off my paper wrapping? Now I'm naked and too embarrassed to leave the crayon box. I don't even have any underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Help! Your naked friend, Peach Crayon. Look here. Look at him peeking out. Because I'm not getting out of here. This is embarrassing. No way. Poor little Peach Crayon. All right, what's the next page? Oh my, there's all the letters. Well, poor Duncan just wanted to color, and of course he wanted his crayons to be happy, and that gave him an idea. Oh my goodness. When Duncan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him an A for coloring. Look at all those beautiful things in there. I'm going to leave it a second here, and then I'll slide it over so you can see the other half. Oh my, got a prince. Oh my goodness. I think this guy might be supposed to be in here. What do you think? Think the pilot's supposed to be in the airplane? Well, who knows? Look at all this stuff in here. Oh my, look over here. Oh, look, the dinosaur is rowing a boat with Santa. And then we've got a red horse, a purple frog, got a brown bear with, oh, look at the little puppy. It's got a spot on its eye. Oh, and look at that elephant. It's red. And it's balancing on a black beach ball. Not strange at all. Not strange at all. Okay, maybe a little strange, huh? Oh, we got the black rainbow. There's the happy purple dragon. All right. Let's see. She gave him an A for coloring and an A for creativity, which means he's thinking of new ideas. He's coming up with new things. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hurrah! Hurrah! Awesome! Did you guys like that book? Here's goes back to them not being very happy, huh? All right. Here's your book. Okay, I have a little assignment for you if you want to. If not, if you just wanted to read the book, that's just fine, okay? I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. We'll talk to you later. Bye.